Hi, this is the fifth video on the series of videos on how to use pivot tables for data analysis in Excel. So now I want to show you a very nice feature on filtering results. So far we have been working with the whole dataset, plotting or representing everyone we have. Now, if we want to do a more in-depth analysis on some groups, we may want to leave some people out. So in this case, we have here all the ages and the sexes. But imagine that we want to just focus on the on children. So I don't want like all these different ages. I could regroup them, but I could also keep this grouping and hide some. So if I go to row labels, then I have all the different ones, and by default you have select all. But if we unselect it, we can choose who we want to show. So for instance, let's see that we want to be the under ones and the 0 to 5. And then we just go OK. So we would have only here the number of children under 5, male and female. You see that the filter has been activated. This is what this small sign means. But it can go and say, okay, that's too little, but let's put these other groups. And this is what I would get. So this is a very nice feature. However, we sometimes we may not necessarily want to see all the people from 0 to 15. So we may want actually not to so much as not to see their values, but actually use this as a criteria for other analysis. So, for instance, if we wanted to look at the religion of children, let's see, actually families, oh, this is the religion code here, and then we have males and females, we may want to actually restrict it for the young. So we would put age as a report filter, and then here you'd see that we have already the criteria that we decided before. If I plug all, we see more than 250,000 people in Copenhagen, but if I only say that I want to show a couple of them, I'm using age as a criteria, so I only see the religion, the cross classification between religion and sex of the children under 15. And this can be very useful if you want to only look at some parts of your data. All the features of percentages and the representations work the same. You only have this criteria here. And you can select more than one criteria. You could also put sales status here and say, well, okay, just show me all the unmarried, although in this case it doesn't make much sense because all the children under 15 would be probably unmarried, but we could actually just do that and just make sure that we are just selecting if we put things on the report filter here. But we also could keep on just showing some part of the data. So here, instead of showing everything, we could only decide to just show what happened with the Mormons and then see that only we have 12. But everything would be represented here. And this is another thing that you can do with the pivot tables.